All right, so stainless steel shelves. Obviously we carry these in the store. We can get them in any width you like. I believe these are a 10-inch shelf. What I'd like to explain is when you would use drywall anchors and when you wouldn't. Okay, so in this situation, there's a stud here, but the layout there is no stud here. And because we're not putting anything real heavy on there, I did use drywall anchors on this side. This weighs, very little. These are probably 1.5 pounds each, maybe. Drywall anchors will support that. Now, if you were going to put something heavy in here, like a couple of pressure washers or whatever you decide, you'd want to try to catch studs on both sides. But in this case, stud here, drywall anchor here. Even if there aren't studs over here, I just utilized it because it was right where it needed to be. You could use 4 50-pound drywall anchors and mount these shelves and do this many bottles. We have 7 bottles on there. That's only about 10 pounds. It will more than carry that. That's what gives the flexibility of using these shelves is you have a lot of surface area on the upright here. If you use drywall anchors, you mount them properly, you can easily support enough weight to carry all these bottles or detailing bottles or probably even a polisher and some compounds or whatever. Now, if you're gonna put in something here that's like 30, 40 pounds, even though the drywall anchors say they're good for 50 a piece, that's 50 pounds of shear. They can still pull out. You have some leverage out here with the shelf. If you're gonna put something more than 20 pounds, 30 pounds, then I would start thinking about blocking or finding studs. So when I talk about drywall anchors, there's 2 ways you could do it. You could do it with a toggle bolt, but a toggle bolt, typically you're gonna drill a hole that's larger than the screw for sure. Let's say you use a 3/16 toggle bolt. I think it's a 1/2 inch hole. You might see the edge of the hole with this bracket if you don't get it right exactly where it goes. So when I talk about the drywall anchors I used on here, these are the 50-pound anchors, and this is what they look like. So that's how I'd recommend installing the shelves. Like I said, if you're gonna do something light, those are totally fine. The 50-pound anchors are totally fine. If you're gonna do something heavy, then you're gonna need either blocking or hit studs.